Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of January. If you are unfamiliar with the Boxycharm by Ipsy, this is a $30 monthly subscription where you receive 5 beauty items: hair, skin, makeup, etc. And I really love it. I always feel like I get the best bang for my buck. And the great thing about receiving Boxycharm or Ipsy is you can go in if you have any of the subscriptions and you can shop the mega drop shops and things like that for up to 80% off. I'm already seeing some good stuff. Let me be quiet. Let's dive in. Right on top, we have the little pamphlet. It will let you know what the theme is for that month. And this month's Boxycharm is Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and to others, and make sure you feel pampered every day, because the path to getting that glow both in and out starts now. And then it will give you some details, deets on sales, and things like that as well. And I also got a few add-ons, so I'll show you all those at the end. Right on top, I have a set of Wing Me brushes. It literally just doesn't say anything at all. It just says Wing Me. I will take these out kind of in my own time. I have used a Wing Me eyeshadow brush before and I really liked it. So if these feel good quality and feel nice and dense like that did, then I will keep these. If not, then I will pass them along. Next up, I have the Ofra Signature Palette Luxe. Is that the name of the palette, is Luxe? I'm guessing so. There's what the packaging looks like. It is a 5-pan palette. It has Truffle Eyeshadow, Divine Eyeshadow, Rodeo Drive Highlighter, eyeshadow in brown, and eyeshadow in clay. That looks really, really pretty. I have plenty that probably look like this, so I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this one or not, but it's still really beautiful, and already we're getting brushes and an eyeshadow palette. I wish that they would do an eyeshadow palette in every single Boxycharm like they used to. Next up is the Game Beauty brush set. This is called Eyes on Me 4 Essential Eyeshadow Brush Set, and they're beautiful deep purple. Those look very, very pretty. I have not tried anything from Game Beauty that I can remember or recall. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tested them out. So far we have the eyeshadow brushes, the eyeshadow palette, some regular brushes. Not mad at it at all, y'all. Next up, we have a full size of the LYS Beauty Lash Confidence Mascara. It says Curl, Length, and Volume Clean Mascara. I actually purchased this when it first came out, and it's okay. I'll probably keep this and use this one up, but it's not something that I would actively go and purchase or buy. It just didn't give me like the curl and the lift that I like, and it didn't last as long on me, but still nice to have. And I like that we're kind of building a full eye look. You know, you have your mascara, your palette, your brushes, and stuff like that. And then last up, holy crap, does this feel incredibly heavy. This is the Dew of the Gods, The Theory, Retinol and Oat Milk Hyaluronic Cream Blend. And I think it's just like a moisturizer. It's introducing our most luxurious formula yet. Okay. An all-day moisturizer formulated with retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vegan oat milk. And it says how to use. Place a small amount on fingertips. Massage The Theory into the skin using an upward and outward motion. And that's kind of basically all that it says, but wow, does that feel heavy. And I really love that it has the manufacturing date on it and the expiration date. I honestly wish everybody would do that. I kind of want to open this up and see what it looks like, y'all, and see the texture and stuff. Obviously, I can't try it for y'all, but I can let you know how the texture and everything feels. This is wow heavy. Holy crap. That is beautiful. It is a thick, heavy glass bottle. Okay, and I love the color. Alright, and it is a pump, which I also really love. I feel like this would last you an eternity. There we go. Oh, I like the consistency of that. I would call it a mid-density type of moisturizer. It wasn't like slipping and sliding everywhere, but it was not so thick that, you know, if I held my hand upside down, it was just not going to go anywhere. I smell a slight, I feel like I'm smelling a little bit of a soft floral. Oh, that smells nice. It has absorbed straight into the skin. It does have a beautiful luminous glow to it. Oh, I'm excited about that, you guys. Okay, and the packaging, wow, like wow. And then I'll go into my few add-ons that I got. I got the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I've raved about this. I've gone through 2 full size of them. I love them. The cleanser's great. The moisturizer's fantastic. If you are somebody like myself that you have very sensitive skin, you're allergic to a lot of stuff, you have very reactive skin, like I have rosacea and stuff like that, this is fantastic. 0 scent, incredibly lightweight on the skin. It doesn't dry the skin out. There are some cleansers that I've tried that I feel like, okay, this works great. And then when I get out of the shower, even while I'm still in the shower, you kind of get that like cracky, tight feel. This does not do that. It's phenomenal. Next up is the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. And I love everything I've ever tried from Yensa. They have my all-time favorite foundation ever. So I wanted to test this out as well. Next up, I got this just to keep in my little travel bag for when we go to visit our son. It is the Voile, hopefully I'm saying that right, or Voila, I don't know. The Lasting Makeup Fix Mist. And it's just a itty bitty little baby, but I thought the packaging and stuff looked really cute, so I wanted to get something like this to take in my overnight bag. Next up, a product that I have seen people rave about for a very long time. I did end up getting the eye cream in a Boxycharm maybe, or something like that. But I got the eye cream and I love it so much, so I did want to try this as well. It is the Ole Henriksen, the Banana Bright Face Primer. Instantly illuminates, hydrates, and improves foundation wear all day with vitamin C. And I have heard nothing but great reviews on this, and because I loved the eye cream so much, or I do love the eye cream so much, I thought I'd be okay getting this. So if you've tried this, let me know. And then last up, and that is Light. Wow. I got the wrong shade. I love the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy. Favorite concealer of all existence. I have multiples at all times. This is the Shape Tape Radiant. Not really sure what the difference is, but I got light neutral, but that looks very, very light. So I'm a little scared. I mostly use the concealer to like carve out my brows. I'm actually going to put a tiny bit, oh no, I'm going to put a tiny bit right here. And the Ultra Creamy I love because it offers great coverage, but it's very, very light as well. It blends out really well, and I don't see like an emphasis, you know, on my fine lines and stuff like that. And I don't know how I'm going to feel about a radiant concealer versus creamy. Like, I don't want something to be super luminous under the eye area, so I'll have to test this out, and I will let you guys know. Like, it is very light. I can tell that it's giving some coverage, and actually it's not as luminous as I anticipated it being. But yeah, I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. I'll test it obviously on its own, but overall I love the box. I think it is a great value. I love everything in here. I think it's a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I think Ipsy is starting strong, y'all. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.